What is up, you guys? Today I'm giving you a low braided ponytail tutorial. So I start off by spraying the hair with this icy heat protecting spray. Then I'm going to part the hair, and then I'm going to use this beeswax, but I only use it on the scalp, you guys. I do not use this all throughout the hair. Only on the scalp, that's more than enough. And then I'm going to straighten the hair. After I straighten each section, I pass through the hair with a hot comb just one time to get it super straight. And then here I'm showing you guys one more time. Part the hair, use the beeswax only on the scalp, comb it through, and then flat iron it, and then pass through it again with the hot comb. And I just repeat these same steps all throughout. So once I'm finished parting out where the swoop is going to be, I'm going to part a little section on the side. So in total, I'm going to have 3 sections. So once I part out that first row, I'm going to spray it with the Got To Be Free Spray. I'm going to comb the product through, and then I'm going to tie it into a ponytail. This is going to be here just for now. This is just to help me mold the hair into a ponytail, sorry. Then I'm going to blow dry it and repeat the same steps. Another thing, you guys, with each section, before I blow dry that section, I hold the hair in place. So you want to make sure you're holding your hair into a ponytail so that when you blow dry it, it dries in place. Now that I'm finished with the back section, I'm going to cut the rubber band out and then slick everything all up together into a ponytail. And you guys see how easily it slicks up. If you follow my steps, I promise you, you will end up with the perfect ponytail. Once that's done, I finish it off with the Got To Be spray wax and then blow dry that as well. So to create the swoop, I'm combing the hair forward and then I'm going to curve it, as you guys can see. And once I do that, I use the freeze spray on the top half of the hair. I'm going to blow dry it into place and then I move to the bottom half, like where the swoop is. So I work in sections when it comes to the swoop. It's just easier for me. And that is all for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.